I'm having one of the best days of my life right now because of this one small thing. I'm here right now. Just look at this place. I don't want you to miss out on this because not only will it guarantee your day to be 10 times better, but if you apply it for the rest of your life will always be amazing. It's 6 a.m. right now. 5:30, I woke up. I started driving to this place. I'm gonna finish up driving on this scenic route. I'm gonna look at this amazing lake. Later on in the day, I have this sports game for lacrosse. I'm gonna have some fun with my friends. And hopefully I can get close to one of these geese and just say hi to it. So what made this happen was me trying to do something new. But you don't have to wake up at 5 or drive 30 minutes to this cool place. All you have to do is something that's different. So whether that's painting something, going outside in the morning instead of in the middle of the day, trying something new that'll give your day a lot more variety and meaning. This small thing alone will stop you from being bored and not make your days so repetitive. Another time in the morning, I was walking to my local school and I was practicing some sports, but then I saw someone alone just like me. I didn't have anyone around playing basketball, so I decided to 1v1 him. But I also didn't even plan on doing it. I was this close, this freaking close, to not actually asking that guy if he wants to 1v1 because I was too nervous. Oh, I gotta go home. I can't do it. It was all limiting beliefs, I like to call it. Beliefs that don't help you at all and make you worse. There's a lot of these in life, but I realized that I should not listen to these reasons or excuses because they're the same thing. So instead, I actually turned off my brain for 3 seconds, stopped overthinking, and actually said, if I can 1v1 him. Not only did I just do that, but I also beat him, so it's a win-win. My name's Timothy. I just want to share with you these things that are making every single day freaking amazing. Hopefully you can apply this too and think about something that I said. If you like the vibe of this video, consider subscribing. I'll post more videos like these to try to give you something to think about. Speaking of, that's another cool thing that I'm doing today, talking to you right now. How great is it for me to have the opportunity to do that? By talking to you just this one time today, that's going to help my future so much. So try to do things which your future self will have the biggest smile for you doing right now. Whether that's 20 push-ups, talking to that one person if they want a 1v1 in basketball, going outside in the morning. Maybe it's even making a video yourself. And if you want to have a channel over 10,000 subscribers just like I have, check out that Calendly link in the description. But for these new things that you have to do, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. I can't tell you to do this and your day will feel amazing. I can't tell you to draw a painting, fly a kite, but it's something that you think is cool or interesting. That should be your main thing you're focusing on today, thinking of those ideas of cool things you can do depending on your circumstances or where you are. Think about how crazy that is. I'm having one of the best days of my life and it's only the first hour of my day. Imagine what I'm going to do with all the other 11 hours that I have. If you want to make today amazing, you have to actually go out and try to do it. But if you also want to make the rest of your life amazing, keep on doing this. Keep trying new things, going to new places, getting new experiences, because this will fill your life up with so much meaning. Comment below what you're going to do to make this day count, and I'll hold you accountable so at the end of the day you can let me know if you actually did it or not. It won't hurt, it'll only help you. I really hope you can think about what I said and don't forget about this video. Go to the next video and completely forget about this. Think of this cool place. I'm gonna try to film a little goose as well to leave you on, but that's all you need to know to make your day freaking amazing. So I hope you can think about this. Do the algorithm stuff to spread this around. Like, comment, subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. Also, if you want to be around thousands of people, join that like-minded club in the description. I also have this other community called YouTube Blast. If you're interested in that, check that out as well. I hope you can make today amazing and think about this. See you later, man. Goodbye. There he is, the man himself, Mr. Goose.